Alright, Abusia, Yamakwaba, Eba, Ghana and TV. Your best friend, we subscribe to the channel from our YouTube, our conversation.
The number of deaths, no, and you're accurate. More than 6. I'm telling you this on authority.
More than 6.
More than 6.
What checks nowadays who say more than 6?
I'm telling you something reliably. And I'm taking that responsibility.
Because the military command issue statement say 1 year a free more no. 1 year is 6. And you are here telling me,
and I'm telling you on authority.
No, from Debbie.
Relax. Prof.
Debbie.
So 6 pictures now about Bontino.
Me 6 pictures.
So if there's even one addition and yes 6, will I be justified?
No. How do you know?
No, I'm coming. 6 pictures came out.
Debbie. So we'll source now a year.
I'll give you the source. I just want to lay the foundation because I'm on for 8 here. Government had the 6 pictures of ladies about Bontin. Or say 6 officially, that's a figure.
All right.
So if there's one addition, the number 6 is not accurate. Would you tumsa?
Sure.
Okay. So I'm now telling you on authority. Say me fear near the next house. Vice President Ekoho, one lady who is there died in this process. She's not been captured. Vice President is just coming there now.
Was it after the statement had been issued? Says 6 and later no.
Me say, as I'm telling you, say way before me baha. Now police for advanced team Okay.
So tell me. So tell me.
Oh, the very day.
The very day.
The very day, no. The very day, you convey no call Mogo, that's what that Mogo. The very day. Any brother, unfortunately, only yet Tian in 9 summer, in 9 hono. In that process. And then, according to near brother and Eric County, say, and yet stampede neku ebinumo. If exhaustion, heat na ewa hono keke. Only system, then stampede. Within the way air heat no and collapse you. So I'm telling you, say nipa ba kukra matrewi. Because Vice President Eko so when drew what there as a me by there now MC nini securities we know and around her and on my sham konja omo train meaning say we drew what all visitors are ebusiano. That lady has not been captured. Meanwhile, you brought 6 pictures out, and I'm telling you, say government is massaging the figures. Among for big cry as says
hey, o man pani bia be si so anipa wu anipa nyame de oni ofa no ye nanso o man pani mama de mo Mapani mama ya mobo pa se office obesi su ewu nko a me ampa bo enyina nka mo nfa mpa bon ta papa ye chi na ya awre hosam eye sa na ya basa ba tai o fa ha no wo sen ha adwuma na eni ho ana asa mafa nipa awie ana asa de na aba nke mo bo ahwe se o mu nyina nko a ebi foro suru nyina ye ya urade Ghana de ya kambo ya kachiro papa mo ntimi form nkakra mo manhia enya ayi ho enye protocol ni eyin ho mo nyina abo hwese so mo nyina amra ade ya nipa amba form so ma form dada angoku nkofo masa ya se wo mu kura aye living out eguji kura ni am se de ne ba wo ba ya dai na de ne ba da ji ska be so no na amampanya ko mo musika ho he mo ye ni amampanya sa de onya mpa bo mo de o na wa ban ile si o asan ye bi san pa nyame hu mo bo e ma re ho ya me ya nyame hu mo bo pa ma me so ya MP pa na kasa sebe MP fa ni ahi MP no ye e wa reason dada o pa cha okura yensu won kwa anya na yese bi wa pa ko fo ma we say ko fo ana oni ba sabe ana ba ni Ghana krum ho wa ba fi so pona aye chanche hene o berwa dada ante sa una o hia wu kala amu ni ho a mba hwa achi no hwere o kasa sema wo kaka se aw wa ye bone pa nyame fa bone ncho o sa be hu wo mo wa tete wo maame abeku wo mo ti we a said that forever. Okay, can't say who say I sank a chin too. Near Ghana, no and ho. Or bow. Ko former man say a man when young folk could do for a man a room to crew, a man a woman a man a be obvious. And your quenya sapa, men, a man you're so sweet. To sell our own. And I know to have an article. A word that they are Kodako when I come on. I come on a winning. Hey! Ghana ko for this year we na ye ba memma nyina ate ho ba o musu wo mu hu de o munya na ba ka asem aso ba be sia pa na wo ba na wa bro na ana wa yale ana bibia yen hani mu pa atsew obaawo ese ma de yare ye ho atamfo obi ba wu a be ka se so ngom be wu dada am be hwia wo wu dada no wo ba wu ato nfi aseye no wa kwa to ranchom wo se na ye wo ba wu dada asenya minu nko obi ba so wu oba ko wu ato nfi ana yale babo na ne ma me no papa so ano ama anya ahode dasa bra na wo makọ na eso mo buji kura de bicho asa du mo ho menti ase soja enti na nkure ma park so amo ai afi we di mo je fi go do so afi we di Ghana di ehia sacrifice mo je hwe ku papa nkura na ma so na ewu kase mo mpanyimfo mo atitufo mo ai afi bi aba change na afi we ba ye di educhom na me fon kura nyina krese ei na ankura ya na mi so ma wie school no mkopa adwuma ana adwuma se akofoma na wusa se akofoma na wusa amman munyamfo godufo na soja adwuma na ho na ye fa ho ye soja company na sa ho ye bebia mun se Ghana se wo ho munini ma yayi edom we muso mun ya stadium mamba fo no so ma fo ma wi adona mo yesa onko fo mo ja hwiegu se maye no nyamfo a ma ye dum chichiri kuru ma ye dum chichiri mata musu umuma na ma be bi o bakasa ye kwa de ye woni pa na ye woni mpa ono de mini ma me panu mu asamasi ye ba tanti me je ba ta for we na ka bibi na abada ye mre mu ono so kura abejo mo pressure abejo musu ono so kura ba sa asem se panu mu a onim kasa wa sansam na kana basa na me nyine ba mu na me fa bo ne nche wate mame na me hu mo.
I'm telling you the fact no ma jimi dodo yeah recruitment akufo adu ma betra so aye recruitment every year ko tere ba kura nwi adan na mo nko ade ma jimi adan na mo nko ade ma jimi me hu ye ya to forms mo a ye be hia mo no mo ba ye di soldier for ni police for aguo ya jo document hwem ni ama ko usit number da ho obi akọ one after the other anya fe ni ko bie gate no obi amra yo mo ya mo a ese mo bo barrier o gate ho police for gina ho soldier for gina ho obi a obeduru obi ano yes ye show document ni ama ko one after the other adan ya banifo na jimi ti se mo a mo ye normal ti se mo ye nkraman so enti mo careless behavior we na akukunkura no what you say because there's no way say me the thousands of people could go baby na me make sure say me protect the entrance the gate na me make sure adam jimi mo ya mo a NDC for no be amono mo soldier for the police you supposed to protect the people and mo akra no mo employees amon for adwuma kra you can protect them. Does this make sense? It does not. And now mo jimi mo for mo so mo sentu mo ka mo jimi mo sa for mo ntu mo ka obi se me koso me man na eno no age se okokowu eno kra na ye safa na ye ntua ne ka
Fiora the root cause of the AC wo ho na esikasem me na make kire say omo soldier for na nyentum. But root cause of numbers no more apply no sika because o combine nipa 60,000 which is not the accurate number 200 cities times 60,000 yeah 12 million Ghana cedis 120 billion old cities ekwahin their improvement in a week Ura Henry Cote Bekan last year say nipa more apply for security service in 1 year 90,000 no more here 3,000 less than 14%. Enti ya de way enema hu 1961 Daily Graphic. Omo pe soja for. Akatua de be mom wom. Edan ombeda wom. Yesi de ombetu kwan. Yesre Ghana for so join soja 1961 Ghana. Ene ye ton forms. Na NBA for ya je omusika na ya famu 3%. Enti se de ye ni nyina no ye jai sika de na. Omo ni beba ho se omo apply nyina no obi antueska. Now within 1 week, more close no. And no na ye suggest ya anya juma omugusu ama manfo July in 2025 say stadium e nipa 10,000. Stadium e nipa 10,000. Modi nipa 20,000 aba ho say omome exercise. E da so ade abaji na omo so hey idiot hey enemrem soja.
Me no adofo mechiamo em say eneno ya ntia sempa yenwa no monketo a omo kope military. The Akoti and say Imunsia. Let's stick to the official communication from the military as Nipensia Hidomunkwa. Nipa ba kumpu training kwa asama ye na nipa insia and I hidomunkwa emu dubminu eda intensive care. ni nyina no say Ghana yanti asempa na ekoba ne say say yetna Ghana military screening. This is not the first time ye military screening. Then imbabunu bebre ekopie elwak ebi wosunyane ebi watamale. Deni si entra sasemwe aba. Say ye num bi no bibi say ba na ya company fu bi na so ne akuti team. Problem bakwa ye wo Ghana ne say say aban sesa say ye nuanom NDC for no this aban ya mobile mu no say oman sunda yeso meba because our reset na omo kano bibia omo feel say or say the reset eko so what ba beto say military no omo ye nyoma bi kwan bi so a why do you want to change it? Yes, a woman say and then no mo fa nipa 12,000 over a period of 3 years between now and 2028. Into no nipa mo fa wo mo be fa wo mo no e doso sing they normally no ye fa every year, which is normally between 2,000 and 3,000. So this time around, no, because you guys want to do a bulk recruitment, no, and mbabunu na mo frɛ wo mo no screen wo mo no edoso. But let's even ask ourselves, say, ene abefo any computer in your mabedo. I didn't know mama ubia date because nipa ebegu elwak no military force sign nebe to me screen yo mu nyina. Nipa ekogu sunyane no military force sign nebe to me screen yo mu nyina. Enti munim se omu nyina abadakwa enye yi. Nti eye den na man to me anchichem se de tete no ye no. Because first no Navy for beko. Na Air Force ako. Enti Navy for ebi omuko 2 days. Na Air Force ako 2 days. Na military there omu doso. Ti military no ako 4 days. Ana omu ako more than 4 days. Eye den na no omu nyina begu mu ewo baby fako. Military, Air Force, military, Navy for nyina ABP ho dako. Something is wrong. Papa John Dramani Acho on your investigation. Na mama yen jaisa dia na bibia is look, yes say enchia ya yembuno. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Why do we want to touch everything and make it look like the number 2 ye bia nyadepa? And then in Quara 6 every omunkwen. The way forward is an investigation to understand. Look, I think say ikrono anywhere say economy military screening na Quara bibria bebu elwak said me kind how many manpower and then Quara omugu elwak no soldier for sign and to me edo from morning to evening no a screening. It's not possible to screen all these people in one day. Something went wrong. Somebody did not do their work. Miss Ramo, ye papa nom ene ye mame no mo military muno. Let's put things right. There are some institutions it should not be about the politics. And I think that the military, our armed forces, our service should not be one of them. And the politics could be BMO. Inti ebia empenifo bi kura omo military a omo nim no muntie o masem because you say free be reset NDC aba ye krowe no see the yes bibia ebeto chiri bia no na obi ahre ne nkwa nipa ba ko empo de hre ne nkwa enkenya asempa nipa nsia media so rest in peace omo busuafo ye mo dem refedue enya de pa nyina no yebobompa ye na nkra no omukra nsie ye yedamose.